In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the ExpressVPN app on Android. This is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through every step to ensure it's easy and efficient. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is where you'll find the official apps for your device. It's important to use the Google Play Store because it's a trusted source. This ensures that the app you download is safe and secure. Next, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you can type in the name of the app you're looking for. Using the search bar makes it quick to find what you need without scrolling through endless lists. Type in ExpressVPN. As you type, you might see some suggestions pop up. Ignore these for now and continue typing until you see ExpressVPN appear in the list. This is crucial because you want to ensure you're selecting the correct app. Once you see ExpressVPN by ExpressVPN, select it. Look for the app with the red logo. This is the official app from the developers at ExpressVPN. Choosing the correct developer is important to avoid downloading fake or malicious apps. Tap Install. This will begin the download process for the app. You may see a progress bar indicating the download status. While it downloads, remember that installing apps from the Google Play Store is the safest method. Avoid APK sites unless absolutely necessary, as they can pose security risks. Wait for the app to download completely. This might take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Patience here is key. Once the download is complete, you'll be ready to open the app. Now tap Open. This launches the ExpressVPN app on your device. You're now ready to set it up for use. Keep in mind that to use the VPN service, you will need an ExpressVPN account. If you don't have one yet, you will need to sign up to get started. Downloading from trusted sources like the Google Play Store is crucial. It helps protect your device from potential threats and ensures you have the latest version of the app. With that ready, you are all set to enjoy a safer and more private browsing experience with your new VPN. Thank you for following along with this guide. I hope you found it helpful and easy to understand. Enjoy using ExpressVPN on your Android device.